How to save $10,000 in a year on a low income. How to save $10,000 in a year even on a low income. Struggling to save money? What if I told you that you could save $10,000 in just 1 year, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck? Scene 1, setting the goal. Narrator. First, break it down. $100,000 a year means saving about $833 per month, or around $28 per day. Sounds tough? Don't worry, I've got a strategy for you. Scene 2, cut unnecessary expenses. Background: coffee shop, fast food, and online shopping with price tags. Narrator. The biggest money leaks: eating out, coffee runs, and impulse shopping. Instead of spending $5 on coffee daily, switch to home brewed, saving you over $100 a month. Scene 3, automate your savings. Narrator. Set up an automatic transfer of $200 every payday to a separate savings account. You won't even notice it, but your savings will grow. Scene 4, side hustle for extra income. Narrator. Want to speed things up? Try a side hustle: freelancing, Uber selling on Etsy, or even renting out a spare room. Earning an extra $500 a month can make a huge difference. Scene 5, smart investing. Narrator. Don't just save, invest. Even small amounts in index funds or high-yield savings accounts can multiply your money over time. Final scene, success story. Subscribe for more.